About Nimbus. Nimbus is a very secure cryptocurrency financial ecosystem. We cover many ecosystems on Crypto Complex, but we only cover the ones that are really the best, the ones we see making a difference in the future, the ones with a competitive advantage. And this is why we're coming at you today with Nimbus. So we're going to be going through this quick presentation on what they're all about, and then we're actually going to go on the platform, on their website, which is a website where we are actually registered. Crypto Complex actually has an account under this platform, under this ecosystem. So here's the concept of the presentation. Let's just start it off with speaking about Nimbus Core and kind of what they're about. At Nimbus Core, they leverage technology to develop new and augment existing capabilities for the discovery, distribution, operations, and serving of financial products and services. So pretty much what they offer to you guys, we're going to be talking about this later on, but they're more secure than any other ecosystem that I've seen in a very long time. So you can see here, number one is security. They're very user friendly, very easy to use, and that's where it comes with convenience. It's not complicated. Anyone could use it. You don't have to be a professional of any type. User experience is very important, which is how they make it very comfortable to use, and they make it very pleasant. Even in this presentation, you could see that how nice everything looks, how easy everything is to find, how nice they have everything set up. Their website is the exact same way. And then we go on to high performance, their ability to scale, and their cross-platform functionality. So let's just go back on the security. So we mentioned earlier how secure they are. They are one of the world's most secure cryptocurrency platforms. And if you guys are familiar with the levels of clearance, developed in strict compliance with level 2 CCSS. I've been in the crypto space for a very long time, and this is something very rare to see. Having this level 2 CCSS, it's unreal. It just tells you how legit these guys are, how secure their platform is. And here it goes on to talk about how they're able to protect themselves against DDoS attacks. We hate to see those, especially if you have money in the platform, money in the ecosystem. Here it talks about their architecture. P2B architecture makes their ecosystem products resistant to almost any types of attacks. So again, very secure. They're ready for DDoS attacks. They're ready for any other type of attacks. They have 3.0 protection, fraud protection. Again, this is very rare to see in these exchanges, in these platforms, in these different ecosystems. So it's amazing that they have the ability to have fraud protection 3.0. They have a dedicated cluster just towards this, and it just, you guys can see it, right? It's just layer on layer on layer of security. This is something we love to see, and we know our viewers love to see as well. Again, we talked about how joyful the experience is. Look how nice this is to the eye. Look how easy it is to see. Everything's at its own place. You have your account right over there. You have the ergonomics, which is our vision of crypto platforms embodied in this dashboard. Very easy to see, very easy to use, ease of use. Everything is broken down to you here, what everything is worth, easy to function, very easy to use graph, and very precise graph. As I said, Crypto Complex is on this platform ourselves, and we've just been having a blast with it. We love to see it. So our vision of product, it just kind of shows you what they see from the top down. P2P exchange, the marketplace, and then it goes in from lending and merchant payment services, and it goes out into these. So pretty much their main concept, as you see here, is to combine the most cutting edge cloud computing and crypto technologies into a multi-surface fintech ecosystem. So fintech, for those that you don't know, is financial technology. It's very upcoming. It's what's important right now, and it's most definitely the future. Here it talks about how they have a strong foundation. They've built their envisioned fintech ecosystem on this foundation. And not only are these guys just talking, oh hey, we're an ecosystem, they actually have a plan set in play. So here you see their stage 1. They're going to be coming out the mobile application, Nimbus Core MVP, Nimbus Core launch, Avalon app development, Avalon Bounty app development. Very specific, very big things happening, and they're saying exactly what they're going to be doing. A lot of these roadmaps are big, and we're just happy to see how Nimbus actually speaks about what they're going to be doing in detail. Here you have stage 2. So it's going to be going on here. It's Avalon 2.0, services software. They're going to be going on with announcements, pre-orders, beta tests, all on what they're going to be all about. And then we have the pre-sale start, which is where that's going to be. And then from there, you can get involved in this great product, get involved in getting this product. And that's just where it all starts, right? And then from here, it goes on to their software release, product integration, status change, a lot going on. And stage 5 is actually their IPO hub, and it's going from there, guys. So you guys can see how sophisticated this fintech ecosystem actually is. Here we're going to be going to stage 1 in more details. So the Avalon app, as we spoke about earlier, so it's created, maintained, and updated by Quantum, a technology company that solves enterprise challenges for institutions. Let me just tell you guys, Quantum is a very, very trustable company. I've heard about them before in the past. They work very closely building blockchain based products for businesses, so it's good to see that name. It's good to see that they're linked in that name. So here it just shows you a visual of how Avalon is going to be working, and it creates revenue and guarantees company income. The app, we see what it's going to be looking like here. Avalon app, the longer the funds are used, the greater the profit is streamed. So here just talks about the amount of profits you can get, guys, monthly. This is unreal. Like, you guys see the stock market, it goes up maybe 10% a year. Here you're getting monthly interest with these products, with this Avalon app. So seeing the 7.59%, it's just unreal to see. It's unprecedented. We haven't seen returns like this in quite some time, especially by a company so legitimate. So here it talks about how interest is accrued daily. We're getting money every single day. So every single day you're gaining interest, you're gaining profit. Here it talks about the token itself. So the token goes by NMBT, assures the ability of independent operation for your platform. Very cool stuff, guys. It's a ERC20 as it is its own coin, and this is the starting price of it, which is 0.0005 BTC. And here just going by how it's calculated. The exchange rate is calculated using their app. It's very sophisticated. Their app goes over everything. Here it just talks about the stage 1 dashboard overview. So pretty much they aim to offer blockchain technology as a lifestyle. To achieve this, we give you the power to customize and modify every component's look. This is what I was going to say, guys. Like, the fact that they give you all these options to do all these cool things with the dashboard, you're given unlimited options to change it up. Maybe it's pleasable to one person's eye. What's pleasable to one person's eye isn't pleasable to the other person's eye, right? So you have the ability to customize it, make it look exactly how you want to make it look like. Here it talks about its mobile application, what they're planning to do there. So this is just going to detail on everything they have planned. So this is the NMB wallet mobile application, and it's on our way to bring the crypto payment market to the next level. So they're involved in payments, they're involved in ecosystems. This is an A to Z ecosystem. So you can see that it's very sophisticated. The synergy between the different parts of the ecosystem are unmatchable. Everything goes in together, and you guys can see it here, right, guys? Here it talks about stage 2, Avalon 2.0. We spoke about that earlier, and they go in such detail when talking about what they have planned. It goes into detail, guys. It tells you exactly what they're doing, how they plan on doing this. So this is more linked to arbitrage trading, has a top level limit on funds value. It's just talking about what Avalon 2.0 is about relative to Avalon 1.0. So I'm going to be adding the link to this into the description, so you guys can actually see in detail what all this presentation is about. Here's the different releases. They have dates for them. So in November 2019, which is now, guys, they're going to be releasing a built-in crypto exchange, QT1 2020 crypto merchant. So pretty much what the merchant is, it allows global merchants anywhere in the world to easily accept multiple payment options, including BTC, Ether, and most importantly NMBT on our website via our API. So you guys can see they're saying exactly what they're going to be doing, and these aren't easy to do. Like, the fact they're able to be introducing a multi-payment option right away in QT1 in 2020, it's just unreal to see. And then they're going to be moving on into a social trading platform, a P2P lending platform. So let me just go over what that is. It removes the fiat intermediary institution, directly connects lenders with borrowers. We hate to see these additional fees when dealing with these intermediary institutions, so it gets rid of that, right, guys? You're going directly to the point. Very awesome to see. Here it's talking about stage 3, Avalon 2.0, the pre-sale, and this is when you get into buying the coin, right? So they've already introduced their products, they have some revenue going, they have some more legitimacy, they're showing you what they're doing, right, guys? And then from there, fintech ecosystem launch and IPO, guys. Initial public offering, for you to be listed publicly on an exchange, on an IPO exchange, the amount of security you have to go through, the amount of verification you have to go through to see you're a legitimate company, the fact that they're able to be doing this just shows you what level of transparency that they're introducing to this market. Here you go into Anaplan, Smartsheet. It's just unreal to see, right, guys? It's just talking about how these companies, Anaplan and Smartsheet, have been IPOing and what they've been doing up to date. We all saw the Beyond Meat IPO, killed it, up 583%. IPOs are legitimate, guys. IPOs are, if you're able to be confirmed for an IPO, you guys are very legitimate, right, guys? So we love to see that about Nimbus. And here's their stable coin. The fact that their stable coin is guaranteed by fiat currency reserves means that it's 1-to-1 with USD. So you guys know the most stable currency in this world is USD. The fact that they're 1-to-1 with that, unreal to see. Here you see their proof of funds, fully transparent. These are all awesome things to see, guys. So here it talks about the IPO hub, how it's going to be working. They've prepared several solutions for our users, which utilizes NSC as a main currency. The hub will allow users to make secure investments via crypto into IPOs. So right now, if you want to be into IPOs, you can actually use crypto, right? Because it's an initial public offering. It's a company. You can only buy this using fiat currency. What they're going to be doing is giving you the ability to be invested in IPOs using coins. So using BTC, using Ether, using these different coins that see fit. So it's very awesome to see, guys. And let's just go over the platform very quickly before we wrap up. So here you guys can see official crypto complex. We have an account right there. So here's the dashboard. Very nice to see. Nimbus System allows to participate in the world economy and provides access to regulated investment through a secure, scalable, and user-friendly ecosystem. You guys can see here. Thanks for signing up. We already registered. Look how nice everything is in detail, very transparent, very user friendly, and these are things we're looking for at all times. Here it goes into the marketplace and what they're going to be doing. You could add apps once it starts, and here are just some of the apps that we went over. The Avalon app, the minimum term, withdrawal fees 0%, guys. It's just unreal to see. Like, you see all the fees that we're paying a lot of the times with these exchanges. These guys are at 0%, and then they're going to be introducing the Avalon Bounty app, which is pretty much, it's deeper within Nimbus. They reward active users, things like that, and then later on they go into P2P lending, which gets rid of that middleman we were talking about and gets rid of all these additional fees, and then go straight into the IPO hub. So you guys can see here, very awesome securities here, user information, password. The fact that they have this much verification, you can feel safe having your funds in this ecosystem. You can feel safe. You can have it there. You can make nice returns, nice monthly returns, and they're revolutionizing the game, right? They're changing the game, giving you the ability to invest into these IPOs using coin. That's unheard of. I don't know any other company doing that. Again, guys, we were very happy to cover Nimbus. Thank you for tuning in, Jack, and we'll be back with another video very shortly. Thank you. Have a good one.